Okay, you can see I've updated the valves. Now the whole trumpet's white pretty much, except for the mouthpiece. Let's see if it sounds any better. Well, except for the sticking valves, it seems like it plays a little bit better with the tighter valves. Let's see. So it seems like it plays a little better, maybe. The valves slide pretty well and still kind of aren't too airy. You can hear the air a little bit, I guess. I'm going to try to update these slides now, see if that makes any more difference. But yeah, I think getting the valves a little tighter seems to have helped some. So anyway, there you go.